The headlines these days are awash with cost-cutting news, and it appears that one big name in oil and gas is jumping headfirst into slashing its overhead. Chevron revealed Wednesday that it plans to cut a significant number of jobs in order to shore up as much as $3 billion in cost savings. The cuts are projected to include between 15 and 20% of Chevron's global workforce. They will reportedly start now and will conclude before the end of next year. The cuts come on weak earnings from Chevron, who reported a loss in its refining segment for the first time since 2020. The company said its fuel business lost $248 million in the fourth quarter, a catastrophic swing compared with a profit of $1.15 billion in the prior year. A backdrop for all of this is another problem for Chevron. In 2023, the company announced a $53 billion bid to buy Hess, a deal that's becoming increasingly complicated as Chevron rival ExxonMobil has mounted a legal challenge that's led to the yet-to-be-resolved effort dragging on for 2 years. Meanwhile, the firm's vice chairman, Mark Nelson, says it needs to simplify its business and its organizational structure in order to execute faster and more effectively and position the company for stronger long-term competitiveness. Specific to the job cuts, Nelson later said in a statement that the company does not take these actions lightly and that it will support employees through the transition. CNN, citing a source familiar with the matter, said the company is telling employees they can opt for buyouts between now and April or May. Chevron's workforce across the globe is an estimated 40,000 deep, meaning a cut of 1/5 would amount to 8,000 jobs. Forbes says, at least as of late 2023, that 57% of the company's workers are US-based. I'm Anna Wells. This is Manufacturing Now.